Welcome to my garden. The golden hour is the best time to be here. Good morning, my dears. Look, the sun has finally returned to us.
The winter was long, but the earth is waking up again.
Such a brave little flower. Life always finds a way, doesn't it?
Let us clear away the old to make room for the new.
Do you hear him? He is singing the song of spring for us.
The trees are stretching their arms. They miss the warmth too. There is no smell sweeter than clean linen dried in the fresh air.
Watch it dance with the wind. Simple moments are the most beautiful.
The soil feels warm. It is ready to feed our seeds.
Sleep well, little ones. You will become something wonderful soon. A little drink for the thirsty ground. Patience is the gardener's secret. Good work is good for the soul. I feel young again today.
Come, sit with me. I have made tea for both of us.
Just the way you like it, warm and comforting.
Close your eyes. Feel the sun on your face. It is a gift.
Our little friends are busy. The garden is alive with company.
The sun is tired too. It is time for the earth to rest.